perfect. All right, hey guys, something just was brought to my attention just recently while I was baking cookies yesterday. I just did it normally. I followed everything on the instruction packet except for one detail which I never noticed ever in my whole entire life, which is the amount of dough you scoop and then put onto the baking pan, okay? Stay with me on this, okay? Here's some footage of me making cookies, just so you all aren't like in disbelief that I ever make cookies.
Isn't it? Whoa, whoa, look at that. Oh my gosh. Whoa, whoa.
So like that. And then I'm gonna move my glasses up just a little bit. So, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say, like, here's my chair. So we're gonna go sit down, okay? Okay, so there I was. I had my tablespoon, which is what I normally do. I savagely, of course, went after the cookie dough, like so, okay? I had it, okay? I took it out because my measurement was on point. I kind of crushed it into a ball, just a little bit, not too much. And I put it down. That's what I almost always do every single time I make cookies. See, it's right there. But the instructions asked me to do something different, something I never considered because it was just so ludicrous, which is to use a teaspoon for a cookie. So, this is a teaspoon. I know, right? It's just so much smaller. Who would want to eat this? It's gonna burn. They both have to cook for the same amount of time. Let's get crazy. Let's use a 1/8 teaspoon. There we go. Oh my gosh. We have 3 different size cookies, okay? And we're gonna cook them all at the exact same amount of time, which will be 14 minutes, about, give or take. So, oh man, I forgot to butter this up. They're gonna stick. Okay, I got some butter, see? And I'm gonna smear some of it on the pan, okay? Ooh, my 1/8 sized teaspoon cookie. It almost got away. It's kind of like finger painting, a little bit. Not a lot, but it's a little bit like finger painting. Oh, did I just say that? I don't know. Rubbing the butter on the pan in nice small circular motions. There we go. Now that the pan is buttered, all that's left is to bake them.
Hey, Caleb!
Derek. Dang, plus. Okay, now we wait. So, it's been 14 minutes. Here we go. Let's take a closer look at these. Okay, well, the normal cookie, how I do it, looks pretty fine. The 1/8 one, which I was, hot, which I was really hoping for, isn't looking so healthy. But this is the recommended amount, and hot! It's a little stuck even with the butter. This chocolate chip's dead. Let's look at the bottom. Yeah, that's completely charred. This is what I usually do. This is what it wants me to do. I don't know who they're trying to kid, but what really disappoints me is the 1/8 cookie. Now what really matters though is the taste of the cookie. So we'll start with the one that's normal, I guess, or what I usually do. Hot! I need some milk. Okay, the right way to eat a cookie. Wonderful taste. Now, let's do the very charred. Careful. 1 teaspoon is what they recommend. Now, might I add, on the bag, it shows the cookie like this, okay? And they recommend a teaspoon, right? Well, this is what I got. I'm disappointed, but let's see. Okay, I'm dipping it in the milk right now, okay? Okay, I just dipped it in the milk. Here we go. Ooh. That actually tastes really bad. Definitely doesn't just taste burnt. Okay, burnt chocolate chip doesn't go too well either. Maybe dipping this in the milk will help. No. The charred bottom is straight up burnt chocolate. Tastes disgusting. Here's the 1/8 teaspoon. I had high hopes for this one. I guess I should dip it in the milk that's right here in front of me. Dang it. Okay. I'm just eating some burnt scum off of a pan. Wow. Well, I should have eaten the bad ones first so I could have enjoyed the big one last. Now I just have like pieces of burnt cookie in my mouth. But that's what they recommend though. They recommend that you make the cookies super, super tiny so that they will burn. Just so that you can appreciate other things in life more. They wanted it to be bad. I'm just removing all the charcoal bits.